Yes. Yeah, welcome guys. This is another video from Chart Loss Forex. This is where we break down the chart into bits of pieces using pure price action without any indicator, just looking at the chart from left to right, putting context to it, try to understand what it's doing and then take the trade accordingly. So in this particular video, I will be talking about a EURCAD 4-hour trade buy that I did earlier today, and the trade is already running into a good profit. So I will just be breaking down what exactly was I looking at on this particular pair, what was the brain behind me getting into this trade. But before I proceed guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. Click the subscribe button so that you can always be the first to see this video whenever they are being released. And then you can always, the essence of doing it this way is to show you exactly how you can simplify your trade, and then pick up one or two things that you can add to your trading arsenal. So let's go guys. Like I said, this is EURCAD. This is 4-hour time frame that I want to be breaking down to you. So if you look at this particular chart right now, what comes to your mind is, let me zoom out a little bit, and then let's see that okay, you can see this overall flow for the sell on the higher time frame. This is weekly, daily overall flow coming down from this area. You can see I've marked out this area, in this particular look at it, push down, make a low all the way to this area, but find support somewhere around this area on the higher time frame, and then market couldn't go down again, then turn into a range or sideways or consolidation, whichever terminology you like to use. The market started to go sideways, but the bottom line is it started to go sideways, no low, no higher high around this area. The overall flow was still down, but now market is consolidating, now giving us a range. So now zooming into this particular chart, and you can now see that hey, but on this consolidation, this range that has been going on here for the longest time, you can see the market started to make some kind of a higher high, higher low. Market started to the buyer started to step in gradually around this area, and what do you know, market make a higher high, break above this massive range that has been coming in, that has been existent for quite some time. Then it pushed higher, the guy that started the move that goes that higher high, sitting right at this point, make a higher high like that. Then when the market makes a higher high like this, what you want to see is, okay, is it going to pull back and hold, give us that opportunity for a buy, or is it going to come back inside and then maybe the move up is a pro or is a fake? So now market started to go a little bit of a sideways around this area, then I needed for me to do this buy. If it's going to be a buy, the buyers are much more interested in buying it. I need to see some sellers coming, and I need to see reaction somewhere, anywhere within this zone or within this area. I need to see some reactions of the buy to show that hey, they are still much around and they still want to buy this pair. So what do you see right here? The market started to pull back, started very, very aggressively, then slow down a bit, buyers coming, not so strong. Then look at it from this area again. If you look at it right here, you can see that hey, comes like I would say comes down like that to this support. Then buyers react, goes back, then sellers come again. But look at it again guys, come all the way very, very aggressive, even kind of trying to take out this buyer that started this whole move from this area. At this point in time, I'm like, okay, are the sellers going to dominate? When you're looking at it like this, what you want to always be doing is, okay, market, show me more, let me see exactly what you're trying to do. So I'm on the sideline waiting for the reactions, and then what do you see? Almost instantaneously, the market, boom, shoot back up almost 100% of this move that came down, or about 90%. I was like, okay, it seems like the buyers are still reacting right around this area. So okay, fine, good one. Let me see. I know the seller around this side from this point was a bit strong. Then if they are strong, let's see exactly what they are going to do again this time around. So at this point in time, look at it. The buyer has come in again. Let me clear this out so that we can see it clearly. See, so the seller has come in again right here. Okay, started very aggressive. Then like that, like that, the seller has come in like that. Then the buyer didn't do much. Then look at it, the seller has come in again right here. Look at this guy, this candle here was aggressive, but look at the second seller here. The next wave, it kind of seems to be tiring out, seems to be dying out. I was like, okay, it seems like the sellers are not performing so well. But if they are not performing so well, good. What can my buyers do? So the buyers come in again, almost 100% of the seller. It seems like, okay, let's see again. Then what do you know? See the sellers here, this area, the sellers push down again, and what do you see? The buyers take it all the way up, clearing out these sellers that have been sitting here first time, second time. Then when the market jumps to the other side, what I want to now see is, okay, now I can confirm that, hey, my buyers are still very much around. Hallelujah. And if that's the case, then give me a pullback to this area. Any pullback from this area, now I know it's supposed to give me a little reaction around here, hold above this area. Now this is when I jump into the 1 hour time frame. Now I know that my buyers are around, considering the fact that hey, it has take out the seller here, now it's challenging this overall buyer that is sitting here. So now I was waiting for that pullback to come for me to take the trade. So this is the one now I was watching this pullback on the 15 minute time frame to see exactly. This is how you can justify, you can juxtapose different time frames to align it with your trade, and then have a little risk, and then maximize profit. So the sellers were coming in. I know I want to buy around this area. Then I want to see the little 15-minute seller coming in from here to slow down and then try to turn around. Then hey, I would be glad to jump in with the buy. So when the sellers push down like that, slowly, then the buyer has come in here. I was expecting the seller here to sell. The seller didn't do anything. Market jumped to the other side again. The same thing that happened here is happening here again to tell me that hey, the buyers are back now. They want to go. Now this is the pullback that gets me into this trade. I took the first entry here. Market jumped up almost immediately. Reached this resistance. Come down a little bit again. Attached to my position right around this area, because I know that I'm the overall target, at least the minimum, is for this market to get back to this area. So I'm having my take profit on this particular trade right around this area. The two trades having it around this area. So look at it, guys. This is exactly how you want to read the chart like a book. Look at it from left to right. One thing you want to understand is, once you understand the buyers and sellers, who is dominating, who is in charge, who is in control, and once you identify that, then you want to align your trade to go in that line with who is in control. That gives you higher chance of winning, and that will as well give you a little, get you to be able to minimize your risk and then maximize profit. There are certain things you need to trade properly or successfully in this market, which is number one, you need direction. You mustn't joke with your direction. You must not get your direction wrong. Number two thing is timing, and number three thing is money management. Once you have these three things in place, hey, you are good to go.